First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Jacob Riley.
Well, happy Halloween. We did have a warm day today, and we're still pretty warm out there right now, currently sitting in the lower to middle 70s across much of the area. 74 here in Columbus, 72 Starkville, 70 over in Winona, where they had a little bit of rain earlier, and we're going to see a lot more rain as we go on out through tonight on into Thursday as well. So we do have some more storms expected to come in a little later tonight, but earlier today we did have some clouds around that southern. You can see the winds blowing out of the south there, pushing those clouds to the north, and that increased our moisture here across northeast Mississippi today, and that's what's going to trigger some storms as we go overnight tonight on into the early morning hours for Thursday. Out there right now, not a whole lot to talk about. We had some heavier showers here across northwestern parts of Mississippi earlier, but here's our big story back out to the west across the Arklatex region. There's been a couple of wind damage reports there on the other side of Shreveport. This line is going to work its way over into northeastern Mississippi and western Alabama as we go throughout the overnight hours on Wednesday on into Thursday morning. There are a couple tornado watches to talk about here in Louisiana. This one goes till around 4 a.m. here across Arkansas until midnight. So this line here, it goes all the way across the Mississippi, or all the way up to the Mississippi River, and that will eventually move over as we go on into early morning hours on Thursday. So what we're kind of expecting out of this event, high winds have a greater chance for those than what we do tornadoes, but our main risk that we're really concerned about is the flooding. We've had a lot of rainfall over the past couple of weeks here, and we're expecting some more heavy rainfall as we go on throughout the next couple of days. Now, this storm system is going to move in overnight tonight. Counties there in the yellow, you can expect those storms to arrive anywhere between 2 and 4 a.m. And here in the orange, they should arrive anywhere between 4 and 6 a.m. So it's going to be dark when most of these storms move through. You're not going to be able to really see them, but you will be able to hear them. Here's Futurecast at around 2 a.m. Thursday morning. That line is beginning to approach the Interstate 55 corridor, and it will continue to push east across our area. 4 a.m. on Thursday, it's entering Oktibbeha County all the way up towards Lee County. That will continue to push off to the east as well. And again, with this line, we could see the potential of some damaging winds, an isolated tornado or two, but that's really not our main concern. But what we will see, what you will see for sure, is heavy rainfall across the entire area. Then as we go into Friday, things will clear out a little bit. We could have a sprinkler or two Friday afternoon, but most of that rainfall is going to leave. However, those clouds are going to stick around, keeping us cool on Friday. But before the system moves out completely, most of us will see a good inch across the area. Some locations could see anywhere up to 2 to maybe even 3 inches of rainfall. It just depends on how heavy those storms are when they move over your location. But for tomorrow, we will top out in the 70s and upper 60s across the northern portions of the area. 70 degrees there in Amy, 67 in Bruce, further south in Golden Triangle region. We will be about the same, 71 here in DeKalb, 71 Macon, 70 degrees there in Columbus, and the same for you folks there in western Alabama, 70 there in Fayette. Now your 7-day forecast, those showers and storms are going to last throughout quite a bit of the day Thursday. Severe storms in the morning, and then by the time we get to the afternoon, just a few showers. But this weekend, it is going to be nice. Do not forget to set your clocks back there on Saturday night, Scott.